You'll often hear the tune Out on the Ocean played in A instead of G, often depending on what kind of company you keep, but it's not unknown to hear it in A, and it's fun to play it in A on the C-sharp D box, which, by the way, is exactly the same fingering that BC players would use to produce the tune in G, if you see what I mean. But anyway, so everything is backwards. When I say backwards, it's like a lot of the notes, not completely backwards, but very often you're pushing, where on the C sharp D you'd be pulling, like on your G, or your A in this case, is pushed, whereas your G is pulled, and so on. And when you're playing it in G, this is on the pull, it's on the push in A. So let's look at it again slowly. There's a bit of a stretch to go up here, so you could use two fingers. Here I'm using the outer row C sharp to keep things on the push, which should probably be handy if you're going to play an A chord here, because you could use the push A chord instead of having to change chord by playing push and pull. So this first part again. Whereas on the in G fingering you can push one F sharp and pull the other slide. If you're playing it in A, the equivalent note, which is G sharp in this case, you have to play it both on the outer row. Fingering wise, it might be handy to do this, and then use the second for the F sharp on the way down. So there we are. That's it in A for the C sharp D box. A good workout for the brain to try things backwards occasionally.